What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan, you're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan. Today we're going to be learning how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on the recorder. Alright guys, before we can begin, we got to review our last few notes that we learned. That is our B, our A, and our G. Don't forget to look over to the right side of the screen. That's always going to be telling you how to hold your recorder properly to play those three notes. Now, our B looks like this. Our A looks like this. And our G looks like this. Now, your right hand isn't doing much, but actually just supporting the weight. Your left hand is doing all the work in this one. So let's play our B. Let's play our A. Let's play our G. This is how Mary Had a Little Lamb is going to sound. We're going to do that one more time, but I'm going to do it a little bit more slowly so you guys could try to keep up. That's it. That's how we play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Just those three notes. Our B, our A, and our G. If you're having difficulty, go ahead and rewatch this video as many times as you need to be able to learn how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now coming up in the next video, we're going to be talking about how to read Hot Cross Buns on a musical staff, as well as Mary Had a Little Lamb on a musical staff. As always guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to subscribe for future updates, you can do that as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Now in the next video, and I'm going to have the recorder drawing. As always, if you like this video, please hit that like button below. Go ahead and subscribe for future updates as well. And if you'd like...
In the middle of the night, and you're dreaming.